Okay, guys, this is Calculus Video Recovery Video 5. This is the video that corresponds to this situation. Do I know a formula for the antiderivative of the input? And the clue is this. You have memorized the antiderivatives from the sheet that I emailed you, and the input of the integral is on that sheet. Okay, in this case, the input of this integral consists of 3 terms. And each of these 3 terms, its antiderivative is a formula from the sheet that I emailed you. Now, this is completely optional, guys, but if you wanted to do this, you can express this, this indefinite integral as a sum of 3 separate indefinite integrals. Okay, Okay, now, so the antiderivative, when I take the antiderivatives, remember, so the output of this integral is going to be the antiderivative of the input. None of these symbols anymore, okay, once I take the antiderivative. If you kept the symbols, it would mean that you had to take it again and again and again. We want to stop taking it, so we have to drop the symbols. So the antiderivative of e to the negative x is negative e to the negative x, okay? I'll bring down the plus sign. The antiderivative of sine, okay, this one I always have to think about, but imagine this. You took the derivative and you got sine, okay? Well, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So if I took the derivative and I got positive sine, the original would have had to be negative cosine. Okay, so or just memorize it. Okay, so the antiderivative is negative cosine of x. Okay, we need a plus c, but that'll be at the end. And then minus the antiderivative of 1 over x is the natural log of the absolute value of x, and then we'll have the plus c at the end. Guys, a lot of times we are so preoccupied with trying to use the power rule that we may have rewritten that as x to the negative 1, but just memorize, know automatically that these two are the same exact thing, and that the antiderivative of either of them would be the natural log of the absolute value of x. Okay, I'm going to clean this up just a little. So we will get negative e to the negative x minus cosine of x minus natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. Okay, guys, so there is that. And I will see you soon.